You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Electronic Fundamentals in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Electronic Fundamentals is a core subject in the BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology (AMET) program. It introduces students to the basic principles of electronics and how electronic systems function in aircraft. Since modern aircraft rely heavily on electronic components for navigation, communication, engine control, and monitoring, understanding electronics is essential for future aircraft maintenance engineers. Key objectives: to explain the basic laws and principles of electricity and electronics. To understand how electronic devices and circuits work. To introduce the operation and maintenance of aircraft electronic systems. To prepare students for advanced avionics and electrical troubleshooting. Core topics covered: basic electrical concepts, electric charge, current, voltage, resistance, and power, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, series and parallel circuits. 2. Electronic components and devices. Resistors, capacitors, inductors, their types, functions, and testing. Diodes and LEDs, function in rectification and signal control. Transistors, used in switching and amplification. 3. Semiconductor Theory. Understanding p-n junctions and semiconductor behavior. NPN and PNP transistors in aircraft circuitry. Introduction to integrated circuits, ICs, and microcontrollers. 4. Digital electronics. Binary number system and logic gates, and, or, not, NAND, NOR. Digital signals versus analog signals. Microprocessor basics and application in aircraft control systems. 5. Power supplies and converters. DC and AC power supply systems. Rectification, filtering, and voltage regulation. Converters used in aircraft, DC-DC, AC-DC, inverters. 6. Aircraft electrical systems. Overview of aircraft electrical generation and distribution. Battery systems, alternators, and transformers. Electrical bus systems and circuit protection, fuses, breakers. 7. Measurement and instrumentation. Multimeter usage, voltage, current, resistance. Oscilloscopes for waveform analysis. Signal testing in aircraft systems. 8. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Reading aircraft wiring diagrams and schematics. Diagnosing electrical faults using logical methods. Component testing and replacement procedures. Applications in aviation. Electronic knowledge is directly applied in maintaining and troubleshooting systems such as flight control computers, fly-by-wire systems, engine control units, FADEC, navigation systems, GPS, BAR, ILS, communication systems, VHF/UHF radios, SATCOM, warning and monitoring systems, ECM, ICAs. Skills developed: basic circuit design and analysis, electrical safety and standard procedures, systematic fault diagnosis, use of electronic test equipment, understanding of aircraft electronic system behavior. Career relevance: mastery of electronic fundamentals is essential for careers in aircraft avionics maintenance, electrical systems technician, avionics design and integration, engineering support and ground systems. Conclusion: electronic fundamentals forms the backbone of understanding modern aircraft systems. As aviation technology becomes increasingly digital and automated, a strong grasp of electronics is not just beneficial, it's essential. By learning this subject, students become capable of maintaining, diagnosing, and repairing the sophisticated electronic systems that make flight possible, safe, and efficient.